Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device software and storage. Live wallpapers need room and the right OS support. Once done, locate the wallpaper source, an app, MP4, or GIF, and download or place it in files. Now open Settings and tap Wallpaper and Style, or long press the home screen to jump straight to wallpapers. Make sure to choose the Live or Dynamic tab if present. This gets you into the creation and selection flow immediately. Next, choose the live wallpaper source. If you use a third-party app, tap Import or Open App and select the file. Once loaded, preview the animation, check loop, audio, and playback speed because these affect battery and UX. Adjust crop and aspect ratio to fit your screen. Pick 16:9 for widescreen videos or full screen for edge-to-edge. Also select battery-friendly options like reduced frame rate if the phone warns about power use. Then confirm Finally, apply the live wallpaper and choose Home, Lock, or both. Once applied, watch for animation and performance. If it stutters or doesn't animate, force close the wallpaper app, clear its cache, or reboot the phone. Make sure live wallpaper permission is allowed and battery saver is off for that app. If problems persist, convert to a lighter format like GIF or use a static fallback image to preserve battery life while maintaining the look you want.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.